Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is from Dell. Dell 15G7 is officially launched in India, featuring 15 inches Full HD Plus display, 300Hz refresh rate, powered with Intel Core i9 10885H octa-core processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics and 8GB of RAM. The laptop is backed with 86W R6 cell battery and comes with 240W AC adapter. The base variant of the laptop is priced at 1,61,999 rupees in India. Next update that we have is about a new mini moon for Earth. NASA Center for Near Earth Object Studies has predicted that a new mini moon is all set to pass by the Earth's orbit at a proximal distance of 2700 miles. Due to Earth's gravity, it may remain its proximity from October 2020 to November 2021. Although many astronomers believe it can come near the orbit in November. This mini moon is named as 2020 SO and is touted to be the size of 20 feet to 45 feet. It will seemingly pass by the Earth's moon at the speed of 3025 km per hour, which is quite slow as compared to an ordinary asteroid space. At number 3, we have news from Realme. Realme S-LED 4K Smart TV with 55 inches screen size is launching in India very soon. The TV has 108% coverage of NTSC color gamut. The Realme S-LED 4K Smart TV uses RGB backlighting that is then turned into white. Realme currently has a 43 inches and 32 inches Smart TV available in the market and they run on Android. So the upcoming will also run on Android. The TV will arrive in India very soon. Let's see what will be the price of the TV. Next news that we have is about Samsung Galaxy A72. Samsung Galaxy A72 phone is leaked online and reports claim that the phone will be the first Samsung phone with penta camera setup at the rear. A72 will be the successor of Galaxy A71. According to the reports, the phone will feature 64 megapixel primary sensor at the rear along with 4 other cameras, and 32 megapixel front camera will be there. The phone is about to release in early 2021 and Samsung Galaxy A52 will also debut alongside. Let's see when Samsung officially unveil the phone and with what specifications. Listing further, the fifth update that we have is from Canon. Canon EOS C70 is now officially launched with CMOS DGO sensor and RF lens mount. The EOS C70 offers 4K 120 frames per second video recording, and there is also a vari-angle LCD with touch support, face detection autofocus, range of controls and a dual SD card slot. The camera includes an air intake system to maintain the temperature while recording videos for long hours. The camera is priced at $5,499 which is roughly equals to 4,05,000 rupees in India. Next news that we have is about the ban on PUBG in India. As we all know, PUBG is banned in India and PUBG Corporation is trying a lot so that the game could be unbanned. The one such move was cutting ties with Tencent Games. But the new ownership structure is however unlikely to change things immediately. The violent nature of the game has been the cause of many complaints from all the quarters. The sources said that the violent nature does not change with the change in ownership rights. Well, I think it should remain banned in India because now it's time for Indian companies to emerge in gaming markets as well. Write down your views in the comment section. At number 7, we have news from Netflix. 5 Republican US senators have confronted Netflix over the streaming giant's plan to adopt Chinese sci-fi book trilogy, expressing concern over the original author's comment about claims of forced labor in Xinjiang. The book tells the story of humanity's first contact with aliens, and Netflix announced its adaptation earlier this month. Next news that we have is about Xbox app for iOS. Microsoft is said to be developing an Xbox app for iOS that would bring the ability to let users stream games from the Xbox One console directly to your iPhone. The Xbox app is set to be available for download soon for iOS user via Apple App Store. The app would allow user to access Xbox console from an iPhone over Wi-Fi or LTE. So the last update that we have is about iPhone 12 lineup. iPhone 12 lineup launch was delayed due to the pandemic, but now some reports claim that the lineup will be launching on October 13, while the pre-orders is set to begin on October 16. The same report suggested that the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini will hit the store on October 23, whereas the high-end models iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will hit stores in November. Let's see when Apple officially announces the iPhones and at what price. Although we know that iPhone 12 are gonna be very expensive, but let's hope that the lineup debut in low prices. Comment your level of excitement and what are your views on this. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible, so please comment your views in the comment section and help us improve for further videos. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.